Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. Well, in today's lesson, we are heading with the diary entry and notice writing. Okay, I'll just have a quick revision of this because I think so you know this very well, how to do the notice writing and diary entry, but still I will be telling you in detail, but a quick one. Okay, see, the first thing is diary entry. Now the question comes, what is diary entry? If I explain you in a words or in a sentence, then I would say diary is a kind of personal document. Of course, what is diary entry? Diary entry is something, a personal document. It records an individual's account of a day of his or her life. Either it is of a day, or we can say it can also tell. Sometimes people don't usually write everyday diary, but they used to write on some specific experience when they want to when they have experienced something good, something bad, they visited somewhere, they enjoyed somewhere, like that, on special occasions or something like that. Then they want to share about that feeling, about that experience. And when they don't have anyone to share with, so what they do, they just write a diary and share with his or her diary. It's just a way to keep a track of your past and think about your future. So it's of course, when you could write the diary of every day, then on any day you could read out that what you have done on that particular day, and you could set up your goal, set up your things for the future also. So next is, now what are the things to remember while writing a diary? The first thing is that you should always write your diary entry in first person. That means always use I or we. Don't use second person or third person in the diary entry. Always use the first person. Then use the tense simple past, present perfect or future tense. These three tenses are mostly used in the diary entry. Now, how could you the main content was there, whatever the content is there, how could you start your diary? We can begin diary entry with general sentences like that today's describing the day, momentary feelings or personal you could say that, oh my god, today's day was horrible, or you could say today's day was very fantastic, I just love this day, I just want this day to come again, like this. Okay, diary entry is actually in which you could express your or put out your thoughts and feelings very clearly and in an organized way. If we see from the examination point of view, your diary entry limit should be 80 to 100 words or maximum to 120 words. 80 to 120 words the word limit is there. So that from the examination point of view, we have to be careful for the word limit. But in case we are writing generally at our home, that we I love to write diary. So what I do, I just do at night around 10 to 10, between 10 to 11 p.m. I just write down either one page that whatever have happened to from morning till evening, whatever I have done, if something special is there, then I would just love to express my thoughts, my feelings. And then diary is a personal document as it does not need any signature or name at the end. But if you are writing at your home, but if you are writing from the exam point of view, then in that case you have to write your name. I'll tell you the format in the next coming slides. Next is, a diary entry usually has a very personal feel to it. Of course, it's such a thing that we to whom we share everything, to whom some people, some students or some people I have seen, they used to keep their diaries in lockers in lock. Why? Because they have some personal feelings, personal things there in the diary. They want to share the personal things on the in their diary. Those things are why they are personal, because they can't share with everyone. They just want to share with either with their best friends or with their diary. So that is why it just has a personal feel. Now this is how you have to write your diary. This is the format. See, First is day, then your date, day like today is Thursday, Friday or Saturday whatsoever, then comma, put a comma, and then date. Date I already told you how to write. First date in number, then month in words, and year in number. And then now time. There is a little bit of sometimes it happens that time could be written here also. This is right, like below the day and date, or it could be written straight in front of the day and date, like in the line where you are writing day and date, in front of the right side, right corner, you have to write the date, or you could write below the day and date. That is, both are correct method, both are right. Next is the salutation. Salutation, of course, you will say dear diary, or you could also use some name for diary. Some people give the names to the diaries like Kitty or anything which you love, but means just dear Kitty diary, like this, or you could write just dear diary. Then the main content will be there, in which you will express your thoughts, express your feelings, your experience, whatever you want to write. And of course, I'll tell you, I already told you that how to start the writing diary, and then you could end like, okay, bye for now I want to sleep, I'm going to sleep, take care, I'll meet you tomorrow, I'll just see you tomorrow, like this.